back to another What I Eat in a Day video. I am headed on a 6 to 7 hour road trip today, so I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along for a What I Eat in a Day slash like what to bring on road trips. So we're leaving in about an hour and a half or so. I'm gonna actually go to a SoulCycle class before we go, and then I'm gonna pick up our rental car, come back here, and we're gonna hit the road. We're going to see my family in Maine. I am already drinking a matcha, so I have just a little matcha before SoulCycle that has cordyceps in it. That's a really great pre-workout drink. So in this matcha, I have some Sun Potion matcha, I have about a teaspoon of cordyceps, I have pumpkin pie spice, monk fruit extract to sweeten, as well as some coconut butter, and then I just blend it up with hot water. And this is about maybe 2/3 of the size of my normal one, and then I'll make another one for the road. So I'm actually just gonna prep my matcha in my little blender jar so that I can just pop water in when I get home, put it in a to-go jar. So I want to show you what I'm using. So there you have it. I'll just leave this out on the counter, and then it'll take me 5 seconds to make when I get home. So while my water boils, I'm going to be whipping up this Daily Harvest smoothie to take with me on the road. This is the pineapple and matcha, and it's so yummy. It has pineapple, kale, coconut, lime, matcha, and I'm going to add extra greens, obviously, as well as some protein powder, and I think I'm gonna add some mint too. So what's great about Daily Harvest is that everything comes right in this little cup. So I have spinach and mint in here, and I just add all of my ingredients. So then I also have some cashew butter and some vanilla protein powder because that's gonna bulk it up and help me have a little bit of a recovery after that tough SoulCycle class. And I'm gonna blend it up with some coconut water. And here's my finished smoothie. It's super thick, topped it with some coconut and some cacao nibs, and I'm gonna bring a little spoon with me in the car so I can eat it like a smoothie bowl. Now I'm gonna make Matt a smoothie actually too, and we're doing another Daily Harvest. This is the cacao and avocado, one of my absolute favorites. It has zucchini, pumpkin seeds, dates, avocado, coconut, cacao, and protein. And I'm gonna whip this up for him. And actually, if you guys want to try Daily Harvest for yourself, I have a coupon code. So you can use Simply Quinoa at checkout and you can get 3 free smoothies. And I'll link my page for you below, which has my 9 favorite smoothies. But these two are definitely one of my favorites. Also, I just want to say I love these like to-go things. The brand's called Takya or Takaya, I'm not sure. We're getting gas, so Trevi's whining, but yeah, they're really great. I'll link these below. I think you can get them on Amazon, and they keep stuff really hot, and it's awesome. Also, this is real life right now. He loves getting little treats for the road. I'm not sure what he's getting. Something a little bit unhealthy, but you know, you only live once, right guys? Why are you whining, baby? Why?
We code furiously for 2 months, we launched this thing, and then it's off to the races. Like, from when we started working on it full time and when we publicly launched, it was almost 2 years.
So we just did a little pit stop. We actually were on the same timetable as my parents who are coming from Vermont, and we met them in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and gave them Trevi and all of our cold food so that they could take it right to the house because we have to go up to Portland and drop our car off. So maybe we'll get some lunch in Portland, we'll see, but we're about like 45 minutes away, and got some water, got some more snacks. How you feeling, Matt? right, here's my little cooler that I travel with. It's from LL Bean. It's awesome. I have all the drinks in here. But this is what I packed. Sorry, the lighting is like so bad. Let me see if I can adjust that. All right, so I made some collard wraps. Basically what I did is I steamed these collard wraps, and then I put a piece of nori inside and I stuffed them with hummus, avocado, shredded cabbage, and some leftover tempeh from our dinner. I also always need something a little bit sweet to eat, so I packed my turtle cookie energy bites in this stasher bag, which are so awesome for travel. I froze them and then I just kept them in my little bag, and these have chocolate and pecans and chocolate chips and dates and all sorts of yummy stuff. So I'm gonna snack on a few of these. Recipe is linked below, and I'll also link these awesome little bags for you below too. We decided to do a quick little detour in Portland. It's kind of quiet today because it's the 4th, but we're about to get some authentic, organic Italian gelato. So I went with chocolate and raspberry. So good. Look how creamy. Both sorbets, and his is almost gone, but got sour cherry. Yummy! This is the view out our bedroom window. I seriously love this house so much. Now you can see why it's my happy place, right guys? We made it! This is my dream. Seriously. I love this house. Oh. This is the Atlantic Ocean. That down there is Spouting Rock, which is what our little house is named after. Those are our neighbors. There's a church over there, and we're gonna take Trevi swimming right down there. So I just whipped up a batch I showed you guys of my grapefruit margaritas that went up on the channel on Tuesday. And Matt is a fan of blended margaritas. I am a fan of margaritas over ice. He decided to blend his, and he thinks that I'm going to like it better. So I'm going to do a taste test for you. And it is Matthew. All right, here's his, not even really blended. It's good. It's good. I think mine's still better though.
No.
Yours is easier to eat with the big, without the big giant ice cubes.
Mine's definitely better.
Look at the sunset!
Alyssa, how's stealing my charger? Hey guys!
Ooh, and my brother, remember him from stories?
Hey guys, it's Simply Quinoa. I'm Team Hoops here.
Look how cool they look.
Gluten-free or dairy.
I gotta say, that's a good lighting.
That's good lighting. Damn, I look tan.
Yeah, you do.
What's up,
Maybe?
guys? Anyone out there?
So we're about to sit down to dinner, and I just wanted to say it is not a vegan dinner because there is fish. So I am going to be eating salmon. As many of you know, I am not 100% vegan. This is probably the first video that I've ever shared that is not 100% vegan. So I am just being true and authentic to the way that I am currently eating, the situation that I'm in, and we have amazing salmon that my family prepared. So I'm going to have some of that for dinner. And we're also going to be enjoying the amazing sunset. So I will show you the whole spread, and then it will be fireworks later.
more!
So we have salad,
You need wine, I need
some
bread.
salmon, and then a quinoa salad that's coming very soon.
Klondike bar!
How's everybody feeling?
Everyone down.
Klondike!
You want a Klondike?
There's just like
This is our view. Alright, I kind of didn't do a great job ending this video tonight, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's What I Eat in a Day video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, there is a red button right below this video. You can hit that subscribe button and that will subscribe you. I would love for you to give this a big thumbs up. I've also linked all of the products and recipes that I've mentioned today, well, as many as I could, down in the description box, and I've also linked my entire What I Eat in a Day playlist. So make sure that you are following me on Instagram to see the rest of our trip here, I guess you could say, in Maine. I will link that down for you below, but it's just at Simply Quinoa and you can follow along. Otherwise, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!